What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes, and thanks for checking me out. And I got these Yeezy RESIN restocks 2 weeks ago from GOAT for $88. Yes, sir. I was looking for this colorway since it first dropped. Adidas would not show me no love. One day I was just on GOAT like I usually is, and I seen them for $88. Brought them ASAP. They did take 2 weeks to get to me. I think it was a London seller or whatever, but I got them here. I checked StockX and GOAT yesterday, and they're $140 now. Now, we know what's part of the reason why. We know the Kanye situation, so I believe Yeezys are going up in stock right now. But I'm just happy I got these before that whole debacle. But in this video today, I want to compare the restock Yeezy slides to some of the originals. Not the original colors, but the originals before the restocks started happening fluidly. Let's get it. Yes, sir. So in my left hand is the Yeezy RESIN joints, or resin. Let me know in the comment section below how we pronounce that. That I just copped. And on the right side is the glow green box. So let's compare the boxes side by side. And everything seems to kind of connect there. Nothing's different there. Let me take a closer look. Yeezy slide. Yeah, everything is the same there. Adidas logos. Yeah. Everything's the same here, guys. So here is the Yeezy slide in flame orange colorway. Now, if you see the box, it says Yeezy slide. The RESIN box says YZY slide. So the flame orange says Yeezy slide on the box, and the new RESIN joints, Restock 22, just says Yeezy slide. Material-wise, texture. The glow greens are definitely more foam padded. Wait. Yeah, I feel like the glow greens are a little more foam padded than the RESIN joints. Or RESIN. I hope I'm saying this right. But overall, it can pass for the same material. As far as the bottom, they both have that dot at the top. Right? These ones are a little dirty, wore these, but they both have the dot at the top. Both has the curving down there. So nothing's changed there. Looking in the inside. Okay, the glow green says Yeezy, made in China with the size, and so does the new one. So nothing's changed there. Yeah, guys, nothing's changed there. You even have the grooves for the toes on both of them. Also, the Adidas logo is on both heel tabs, so everything adds up here. Now here's the inflamed orange compared. And everything is the same also, guys. From top to bottom, front to back. Now, one thing I could say, these are more stiffer. The 2020 restock joints are a little more stiffer. I thought the OGs would be more stiffer, but these are definitely more stiffer. But it could be because they're new and the other ones are already cracked in. But everything else adds up to that. But like I said, man, I got these for $88 2 weeks ago on GOAT. I was shocked, man. Shocked when the Kanye news, I checked last night and everything's going up. Let me know how y'all feel about that whole Kanye situation, guys. I feel like you do not attack a group of people just because 2 or 3 people did you wrong. You just never attack a whole group for 1 or 2 people. But some stuff Kanye is saying is legitimate. But a lot of stuff is out the window and you just don't do it. So I kind of get it. But let me know if you still would be rocking with Adidas if they decide to come out with Kanye styles without the Yeezy name. I just want to start that conversation, man. Just get where everybody's thinking, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.